What's up, guys? We are on day 3 of working on the EK. Today we're going to be installing a turbo gauge. I already took everything apart. I decided to take the car apart all the way, interior and exterior wise. That's why there's nothing here. There's a whole bunch of wires. And we're gonna see if we do a little quick video on installing this. So in the box we got just the glow shift ordinary box. Comes with this, comes a ground switch 12 volt, constant 12 volt, and then headlight 12 volt. Not gonna use that. Comes with a little sticker for all my sticker people. And just ordinary things that you need to put on the lines. Little T that goes into the turbo outlet, like little nipple that comes out the turbo and stuff. So that's pretty much it. That's in the box. And yeah, we're just gonna get to it. I'm here with Bodie. I wired it up. I did the same thing I did with everything. I used a constant 12 from the radio, switch 12 from the cigarette lighter, and a ground from like a bolt from under there. And if you turn the key real quick, not all the way, we got red all over the place. So that means I already turned it on, but just to show you guys, it's working. I put it on red already. Everything's working perfectly fine. So now time to throw in the boost hose, the actual hose in there, and route it towards the turbo.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we ran the line, but it's like a little bit too short. Too short. So this is what we got. The nipple's way down there. Somewhere down here. So it's not gonna reach. So I think I'm gonna have to buy like a foot more, at least 2 feet more, just in case to hide it. So it won't be like in plain sight or anything like that. Not that I'm trying to hide it, it's like more to get it away from the heat, because that's gonna produce a lot of heat right there. So next we're just gonna install that guy right there. That's all taped up. Little WasteGate. We went the cheap mode, right? That's the way we could do it. We went with good old eBay.
As long as it runs?
As long as it runs, works. 3 months is fine, okay? It doesn't matter. As long as it runs, does a pull, and it's good. We already got the blow off out, but we ran into some technical difficulties when we were checking out the piping, so we're gonna have to go get that kind of redone. I'm having a hard time with these springs. These are the fittings that go on there for the ports and stuff, right?
Mm-hmm. One here, one here, one here.
And then barred fittings over here.
That's for something.
The lines.
Yeah, the boost.
And then
Boost.
the V-bands right here. Oh, we're gonna figure this out real quick, and we'll get you guys back.
Here. And this one goes down here. Good.
And nighttime falls upon us.
Again.
We're gonna check what spring we have in here, because the spring in there looked pretty thick, and I'm not trying to break my block, because I am keeping it stock. We're not trying to break it, right?
Well, not how.
We're not trying to crack a hole in the block, huh? So the gauge is already wired, everything's working fine there. Just a matter of connecting it to turbo when it's running, seeing if we can make boost.
Boost.
Right now, we're gonna put the
pounds.
wastegate on. Yeah, 30 pounds when it's built though.
No, now.
Yeah, right. But yeah, guys, we're just gonna check the spring real quick, and we'll be right back.
Bitch.
Alright, so I don't know about spring rating, but this thing looked like it wasn't about to make a lot. Honestly, I don't know. I think it's, so the smaller it is, the less pounds you're gonna make.
Yeah, the softer it is, the faster it opens up the gate.
I don't know how this works. I think I'm gonna just look it up real quick. But he suggested we do something with the springs.
Yeah.
Put that one in there, put that one in there, and then put this one on top, and just say fuck it, and see what happens to the engine, right?
Can't say goodbye for some time now.
Yeah, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna be right back. We're gonna do some research first and then put the right spring in and then worry about it later. Not worry about it later is the correct term.
Yeah.
Alright, so we found out that this spring was 4 pounds. This one was about 8, right?
Yeah.
And then that one was 7. So since we're going stock block, we went with the 7 pound. And then we also made a quick phone call to Carlo también to, like, you know, just see which one we were going with. He was automatically saying we should go with the small one or that one. But I was just making sure because, you know, 3 opinions are better than 2 or 1. So we're gonna go with the 7 pound spring.
Make sure we don't blow it up off the back.
Yeah, exactly. But if not, we just put all 3 springs in there and that's it.
Send it. Whoops. I don't say nothing. Time to put this bad bitch in there.
We're gonna look so nice in there.
This is what happens when you got gorilla hands. Alright, let's see. So the pipe, the charge can come this way, so
Let me hold this up real quick.
we good right there. Ah, damn it.
Where are the bolts?
You wanna get that nut for me? And the washer too.
Hopefully my car was working in tune. I'm gonna start a 2-stepping right now.
I'm about to get my car started, let it warm up. There you go.
Dude, it looks sick in there. I already covered up with tape, like, make sure I don't want any critters coming up in there. A little bit of water like got on the freaking housing and look, it's already getting rusty, bro.
Don't worry, once it's running, that should have fallen right off. Hopefully.
I can't wait till this shit starts running down.
I think we're just gonna buy more of these
Okay.
water lines and just cap them off.
Almost. Today we could have had the piping on and everything, but you know I didn't. It's not a me double looking. I was just too confident that the B series piping was gonna fit here. But oh well, things happen for a reason.
It's a little short, but
it's almost there.
It's fixed. It's something that can get, you know, fixed quick.
Right now we're just gonna go ahead and like touch up the little gauge pod holder thingy I have. So this one was my original one. I opened up a hole because that's where my oil pressure gauge was at, but since I got the dual pod, the AFR and the good old oil pressure, I'm gonna throw this one back and I'm just gonna cut the hole for the fan switch and that'll be it. But everything's wired up, everything looks nice. Just wait, give me 1 second, guys. Well, yeah, we have to go a little bit smaller first. Try number 2.
Yeah, we might need a little bit more paint there.
It's gonna cover it up.
Nah, I hope so.
You guys wanna know what happens with the power of YouTube? You grab this, right? And just and there we go. This is how it looks like. Kinda clean. Looks pretty nice. Well, that's all we do for today, guys. Oh, and just in case I didn't record. Good job, Bella. That's how the wastegate looks in there. Looks super nice in there.